The temperature was 90
SVA.
degrees. The dew point 6.
SVA!
And the relative humidity 38%, producing a heat index of 104. The wind was south at 13 miles
We're
an
tone it.
hour. The pressure 29.86 inches and falling. It's
Albany,
San Angelo.
Texas.
Skies
Sweetwater.
were sunny. 96 degrees. Dew point 68. And relative humidity 39% with a heat index of 101. Wind
Oh
south
no. PDS SVA!
Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Callahan, Fisher, Haskell, Jones, Nolan, Shackelford, and Taylor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.